But the room isn't like super messy. That's for, my daughter was sleeping in here, but we actually moved her to her own room, so that has to get folded up and put away. But this is just like piles, and I have to film in here. So I'm trying to figure out how to fix this. That's why this is here, but I don't know where I'm going to put this. I just wanted to show you. I just posted this on Marketplace and on Bargain Babes, where I'm from, but that's going to be out of here soon. Hopefully someone takes it away from me because it's in my way, and I have a laptop now. But this is the before. The drawers kind of always look like that, and that's my dog's blanket. But I will show you the after. I thought I'd show you guys an update. That's where I'm at so far. Still have all this. That takes 2 seconds. But yeah, have almost a full bag of trash. I plan on not filling more than one bag. That, unfortunately, is literally a basket full of cords that I dig through all the time. Like, I literally just dug one out for my headphones. So that has to stay. Look, there's my niece and my sister-in-law. So cute. And other than that, it's not that cluttered. This is literally packed full, like the giveaway things at the bottom of it, the box. And then it's packed full of like makeup bags that I actually use. So I've cleared out a lot, obviously. And then this is just stuff for my daughter's party. Okay, so this is about as good as it's gonna get. I kept my girls' nail stuff and I moved it over there. I organized and threw a lot more away, and this is just hair stuff, and this is for, I don't know right now. It looks so much better. I'll take a final video here in a second when I get everything else situated. All right, so that's pretty much it. We always have these. They're the baby monitors. We have to have them. The bedding, I just got new bedding, and it's in the dryer and washer, so I can't show that yet. But I got rid of the pack and play. I'm out of breath. It looks a lot better. So a lot better to film. I have my little film set up here. We're ready to go. There's my Kenny on my nerves, huh?
I made shatters and I'm ready.
Okay, go get them. They're in the box.
In the box?
Yep.
What box?
Unicorn box.
Unicorn?
Yeah.
Where's the unicorn?
Downstairs. Have Riley help you.
Okay.
This is going as just an extra bedding under my bed storage, but it is so much better in here, ready to film, ready to go. I am a sweaty mess, as you can tell, but yeah, it'll be sitting right here in this, and that box isn't going anywhere until after Riley's party, so it's stuck there. Ignore my nursing pads. But yeah, it should be a lot better of a background view minus the box. Have my Mac sitting here waiting to sell. I do store my toilet paper in here, so that's why you saw toilet paper, because it keeps it out of the way. So I'm gonna go put the last of the stuff in Blakely's room. So I'm gonna go get my bakey. She's awake. There's my bake. I actually redid her whole room today. Organized and got her closet ready to go. This is her closet. She actually doesn't have a door. She has curtains my mom bought. But this is my bakey. This is the most recent addition to the family. And yeah, we're excited to be back on YouTube and doing YouTube things. Can mommy have kiss? Kiss for the camera. She's a good girl. She's a crazy, wild girl. But yeah, this is her room. We have never painted it because it's just too much work. Bye-bye, people. Bye-bye. Good girl.